Hi friends, Christine with Essentially Styled. Today we are going to talk about the lazy wrap bun, and I am going to show you using 4 different hair accessories on how you can rock this easy style. Doesn't matter how many days it's been since you washed your hair, this is a style that's going to work and get you out the door in seconds. So I'm going to show you with a flip, a stick, an acrylic Upin, and a Flexi Sport. So I'm going to start with the flip. Now this is made out of the piano wire, so it's flexible and it has notches on both sides of the attached pin, so you can wear it this way or this way. We're going to wear it on the biggest setting for this style. So I'll show you the technique with each accessory, and by the end of it you should have it down. So you're going to start with a ponytail, and you can adjust the height wherever, how high you want your bun. I'm just going to probably go for a middle amount, but you're going to make the OK sign with your fingers, and then you're going to wrap the hair under those 3 fingers, and you're going to come around, and as you come around you're going to kick your thumb out and then come under your fingers. And it takes a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll have it in no time. So you just want to tuck the ends in, wrap it around until the ends are in, so that you have your hair wrapped around your thumb and this finger. So in taking the pin of the flip, I'm going to go in and follow my finger down to my scalp, find that thumb, come under across my scalp and back up where my thumb was. Then I bring this over and I'm going to bring the pin through. And that is all there is to it. So easy. If you want to stretch it out a little bit to give it some more volume, you can do that. Just make sure your ends stay tucked. But an easy, really comfortable bun style that you can use anytime. And you saw how quickly that was to do it. So I'm going to do it again. You can see with the flip, it just pops right out. It does not pull on your hair. Now I'm going to do it with the Sport. Same thing, make that OK sign. The hair comes under those 3 fingers. Then it's going to come around, kick that thumb out. So now you've got it wrapped around those, you've just made an 8 around your finger and thumb. Then just keep wrapping and wrapping until those ends are kind of tucked in there. So now with the Sport, again, it's made out of the Flexi piano wire, so it's flexible as well. I'm going to go in and come immediately back up. Now this is a little bit of a tighter fit, but again, I just find that notch and that's going to attach. So that's a tighter one. It's not going to be as loose because it's just the Sport is so snug and grips so well. You could still stretch it out if you want, but I would probably leave that one as a tight bun. So again, it just comes right out. And then now I'm going to show with the acrylic Upin. Now a lot of times I will say with the acrylic Upins, they're curved to go along with the shape of your head. This is the one time I usually scoop up so that it doesn't curve with my head. It's actually going to sit like this in that bun. Normally with most buns, I would have it curve with my head, but this is kind of a different beast. So again, same thing. This time I'm going to do it a little bit lower just to show you a different style, or just a different look, same style. I'm going to come around, kick that thumb out, wrap the hair until the ends are tucked. Okay, and then I'm going to take again, I'm going to scoop it up. So I still go down, follow that finger down, find the other finger, and then I'm going to come up. I'm not feeling, there we go, both prongs until they scoop up. You can do it with it facing down, which will give you a slightly different look, but it can be trickier to get that in depending on the thickness of your hair. So you kind of can pick or choose that. But again, super solid hold. It's not going to go anywhere. So lazy wrap bun for the win. And lastly, I'm going to show to you with one of my very favorite hair sticks. This is called Erin. And you can just, it only takes one. And again, I'll probably do just a slightly lower one. Kick that thumb out, bring that hair under the finger, wrap around. Don't lose that tail. You can always tuck it in later. I have had to do that. Again, I'm gonna follow the stick down through the one finger, down to the scalp, find the other finger and come back up through that opening so that you create that 8. So super simple bun, easy all day hold with all of those. And you could even do it, you can do it with a Flexi. They come in 7 sizes, but you do need to find the right size for that. The flips are a little bit easier. If you need help finding your size for any of our accessories, please reach out to me. It's one of the things I love about them is that they are designed to fit your hair. So we just need to make sure you've got the right size. So if you need help, reach out. You can use my affiliate link, which will be posted below for any of those accessories. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.